This is our swing frame. Our patented swing frames come with hinges and a gravity lock concealed behind the metal frame profile. You can't tell that the frame swings open. Just place your finger behind the frame and slide up the gravity lock to swing open the frame. You can then swap out the post or a sign. Or if it's a shadow box, you can rearrange or change objects, art, or other items. But if security is still a concern, as an option, we can install a side plunge lock. This simple lock is installed through the frame. Just push the lock stem to secure the frame in a locked position. Insert the key to release the lock. When ordering swing frames, you can add the lock as an option.
To order, visit us at DisplayFrames.com.